Hello students, before 3 chapters completed, now 4th chapter lines and angles, see some concept. First point, point means mark of a position is called a point. Means in India map they located small dot, that is called one of the point. So point represent always capital letters, means example A, capital A. This is one of the point, capital P. Next, line segment. Line segment means a part of a line with two end points is known as line segment. Having two end points are called line segment. Means AB. This is called line segment. Means it is a fixed measurement, fixed length. AB line segment or BA line segments, both are same. It is a fixed measurement. Next, line. Line means a line segment extended both directions is called a line. Line is also called straight line. Line is also called straight line. Line segment endlessly both directions is called line. So AB line. How to represent? AB line or BA line. Both are same. So this is called, see here, this is line. Two sides arrow symbols. This is called line and straight line. Ray. A ray is a part of a line. It begins at a point, initial point, and goes to on endlessly one direction. Endlessly one direction is called ray. So another definition, two different rays having same initial point is called angle. Like this. Here OA is called ray. How to represent OA? So OA, initial point is starting letter like this. OA is not equal to AO. So this is right only simply way OA, initial point is first, starting letter is initial point. So this is ray. This is example of ray. One initial point, one side arrow symbols. It has one end points. Next, angle. Angle means two different rays having same initial point. So two different rays having same initial point. This is called angle. Two different rays having same initial point is called a angle. Next, about a triangle. Triangle definition, simple closed figure bounded by three line segments. Simple closed figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. Triangle having three sides, three vertices, three sides. So what are three sides of a triangle? AB, BC, CA. These are three sides of a triangle. Next, three angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. These are three angles of a triangle. Next, three vertices means last corners A, B, C. These are three vertices of a triangle. Next, another condition, sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Types of angles. Acute angle. Acute angle between 0 to 90. 0 degrees to 90 degrees between angle is called acute angle. Next, right angle. An angle is 90 degrees is called right angle. Next, obtuse angle. An angle between 90 degrees to 180. 90, 180 between angle is called obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. An angle is whose measure 180 degrees is called straight angle. Means, see here, this is acute angle like this. So 0 to 90 between angle is called acute angle. Next, right angle like this. is called right angle. This is called straightly here right angle. Next, obtuse angle. So 90 above is called obtuse angle. Again see here acute angle. This is acute angle like this. Here right angle exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. Next 90 above 180 below is called obtuse angle like this, obtuse angle. Next straight angle. So both angles like this. This is called straight angle 180 degrees. Exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. Next reflex angle. So like this. This is called reflex angle. So like this. This is called reflex angle. Next, parallel lines. Angle between two parallel lines is 0 degrees. So these two parallel lines like this. These two parallel lines. Next, perpendicular lines means exactly 90 degrees like this, 90 degrees. Here form 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees, here 90 degrees, 90 degrees. This is perpendicular lines. Next, linear pair means pair of adjacent angles whose sum equal to 180 degrees is called linear pair. Whose sum equal to 180 degrees is called linear pair. Means like this. This is straight angle, here like this. These two sum we get 180 degrees is called linear pair like this or like this. So anywhere sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees is called linear pair. This is called linear pair. Next, a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points means different points is called transversal. Means L and M two parallel lines. Here N is called transversal. Here N line intersect at two different points. This is called transversal. N is called transversal. Two lines intersect at a point. They form opposite angles and adjacent angles. Means two lines intersect at a point is called intersecting lines. Means like this. Here intersecting lines. These two intersecting lines. Here form totally four angles. Here, here and here, here. Here form totally four angles. Means here two types of angles. What are that? Opposite angles, adjacent angles. See here. Here form totally four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 and 3 opposite angles. Angle 1 opposite, angle 3. Angle 2 opposite, angle 4. Next, adjacent. Adjacent means continue angles. Angle 1 adjacent, angle 2. Angle 2 adjacent, angle 3. Angle 3 adjacent, angle 4. And another one of the condition, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And adjacent angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Understand children here? Opposite angles are equal. Means angle 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3. Next, angle 2 equal to angle 4. For example, angle 1 40 degrees means angle 3 also 40 degrees. For example, angle 1 50 degrees means angle 3 also 50 degrees. Like that. Opposite angles are equal. Next, another condition, adjacent angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. Means for example, angle 1 equal to 50 degrees. Angle 2 equal to 180 minus 50. We get 130. Means 50 plus 130. We get 180 degrees. Like that, sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. Here angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Like that, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. Like that.